What the hell are you doing?
I'm being Cousin It. Don't you remember? The Addams Family.
It's Friday. People are here to have a cocktail. They want to know how to make a cocktail.
You creep
for drinks.
and you. Okay. Oh, hang on. I wanted to show everybody.
What are you doing now?
I set us up here so we could see my lovely garden. You could see my
No, you
cherry
didn't.
blossom.
You still haven't cleaned the kitchen.
Look.
Um,
Yeah, but we go all dark then, don't we? Actually, okay, yeah, I better pull it down.
People can't see us. They want to see me make the drink.
Yeah, but look at my cherry blossom.
No one wants to look at the cherries.
If you look really hard up there, you would have seen my neighbour's bathroom. Sometimes they... let's not get into that.
That's just a whole nother conversation. Anyway, we're going to make drinks. So, we're going back in time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Step back in time, as Kylie said?
Yeah. So we're going back to the 80s and the 90s, back to our youth.
Okay.
I'm going to make fruit tingle.
Oh.
Remember the fruit tingle?
Of course I do.
It was like a flaming Lamborghini.
You're a flaming Lamborghini. Okay. So
and again, it's a no shaker. It's a one
shaker.
glass drink. I love doing this because I've got less washing up to do.
Oh, okay. So I ice my glass?
You ice your glass.
Alright.
Now, again, really simple ingredients that most people will have. So, vodka, blue curacao.
Oh, everybody has that.
I thought you were going to go cacao again.
Cacao.
Grenadine and some lemonade and a strawberry or two for a bit of garnish.
Oh, it's pink.
Gotta love a big garnish.
Okay. So I've iced the glass.
Yeah, why have you got your hand in the ice?
I'm just making sure it's cool.
No, I need ice in the
Oh,
glass.
you need ice in the glass. You said ice the glass. You never said
ice in the glass.
Oh, okay.
So it's called listening, not hearing.
I'm ignoring you.
Yeah, good
one.
Alrighty, now this is really, really simple.
Okay, hang on.
So,
wait, I've got a video.
Do you need to go for a wee or something?
No, but everything's got a password. Okay, go.
Okay, so all we're doing is putting in a splash of vodka.
I thought you were showing everyone your dirty nails.
My nails aren't dirty.
Lovely, see.
A splash of blue curacao.
Yeah.
And then
When's
you
the
got
alcohol come in?
You just put vodka.
Oh, vodka, yeah. Sorry, vodka. Yeah.
And then all you do is top that up with lemonade.
Lemonade.
Now use your favourite brand. I like Schweppes because it's Schweppes essence.
No, you can't. No, you can buy whatever you want. No frills lemonade works.
I just said that, but I said I like Schweppes.
Okay, yeah.
Alrighty, and then the pistons
Don't piss in my drink. That's disgusting.
is just a splash of grenadine.
And can I use the peanut straw to stir?
No, you don't stir. This is not a stir. Why do you always want to stir?
Oh look, it has gone. It's changed colour.
It's fabulous.
Oh, okay.
Fabulous. And then just grab a strawberry.
Oh, that's my job. I get one job. No, I'm taking my own strawberry. Yeah.
Yeah, but do it nicely this time.
No, do it nice, see?
And there we have a fruit tingle.
Oh, fruit tingle on the tip of my tongue. It goes from my tingle to my mingle. It did something. Look, I don't pay much attention to anything, so advertisers can never get me. Hey, bugger advertisement. You can go, oh no, hey, share on our sites. You do have the recipe, but how about share the recipe? Come and look at the interview that'll go with this drink. There's lots of things you can look at.
So like always, please, we'd love to see how you guys are going at home. Please post pictures of your drinks. Go to Cocktails with Wayne and Tom on Facebook. We'll go to our socials, Wayne and Tom, and have another fabulous weekend, and we'll catch you next week. See you guys.
No, I need another one. It's gone.
Have you spelled that already?
It's a Sky drink.
It's a sipping drink. Than a burp.
One more, please.